Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today, let's look at a long-term perspective of Bitcoin. So, if we observe here from October of the previous year, 2025, the downtrend that continued until the end of January, from there, a clear uptrend has started. And if this uptrend sustainably crosses 90,000, there are chances it could effectively go higher. There are high chances it might get rejected, mostly around 87 or 88. So once it reaches that point, we have to wait and see how it behaves. And mostly, markets in a reverse pattern sometimes go back to what we previously thought was an important support at 100K. The first resistance needs to cross up to 90. So whenever we observe weekly candles, when three continuous weekly candles appear like this, if we take an entry mostly at the third candle and set a stop loss below the next candle, we can get significant profits. So I forgot to tell you this previously, but if you see such patterns in the future, you can definitely use them in your trading. And moreover, if we look at the weekly time frame, the RSI has clearly bounced back. So there are high chances this RSI might go back to a top area again. So since MACD and everything are in bullish territory, and then if we observe one thing in the 1 day time frame, the market has now entered a peak phase. So in case the RSI breaks here and stays above, there are high chances the market could go up to the 90 peaks area. But 100% there will be a trap somewhere. If you exit the market at that area, you can move towards the profit side without getting stuck in market liquidity. And then the next most important thing we need to see is what the current trend is in the 4-hour time frame. So if you observe the 4-hour time frame, every day the market has been continuously confirming lower highs on its way up. So if you notice, each one has been a lower high. So as of now, in the short term, the market is clearly in an uptrend. But at any moment, there are chances this market uptrend could break. So because there was a continuous 6-month bearish market, it's actually normal to have a 3-month bullish period again. And mostly in such situations, if we look at the past, all of May was positive. And around June, in mid-June, there used to be a very severe drop. And from this mid-May to mid-June, altcoins used to perform very well. So if we look at the weekly time frame here, and if we look at the total market cap of altcoins, specifically total 3, you can observe that a clear bounce has started here. So there will be very good returns here for anyone who invests in altcoins now. For those who invested 2 or 3 weeks ago, coins like Solana and other mid-tier coins were available to you at around $100. It will easily move to $150 to $170 because the market is easily going from 1 trillion to 1.7 trillion now. So this is the main thing we need to observe here. So with this move, there will be massive profits in altcoins until mid-June. So in case you have a portfolio, you should invest now and then exit quickly, so you can earn around 50% profits. The reason I'm mentioning coins like Solana is because they are mid-tier, and if you've gathered coins like Ripple and others, this is definitely a good time. You will get returns from this time onwards. Moreover, there will be a clear-cut positive trend in the total 2 and total 3 markets. Now, the reason it has become positive like this is, if we observe clearly here, Bitcoin dominance has had a 100% breakout. So we will definitely see a downward move in Bitcoin dominance now. So if you observe here, this Bitcoin dominance didn't stay above 50% for long during the previous week. So in Bitcoin dominance, its weakness has already started on the weekly time frame. And if you observe, there is even more weakness on the daily time frame. So since the weakness appeared on the daily time frame, you will see altcoins reaching peak ranges and giving you profits for around 15 days. So friends, if you want to get all such latest updates, definitely subscribe to our channel. We have provided the Telegram channel links in the description. So if you join Telegram, you can access our free trades every single day and earn profits. So stay tuned with us. Have a nice day. Signing off.